Get myself together. Everybody. Ooh, shut up.
You are the weakest link. Goodbye. What did they used to be? What show was that? You are the weakest link. Goodbye. Was that
Weakest link?
Oh, weakest link. Shut up. We are going over to Grafton again, where we usually buy fish from in Illinois. But this time we're taking a ferry over there for the first time, where you drive your car up on the ferry. And we're waiting at the dock, I guess, for the ferry to pull up for all the cars to drive on. And there's a line of people in front of us and behind us in their cars. And I just wanted to experience it. It said that it's supposed to cut 30 minutes off our drive time to get over to Illinois. But I just did the math. I think it's quicker to just drive to Grafton, which is an hour and 9 minutes away. It took us 45 minutes to get here, but it said it take 30 minutes to get over there, across the water. So it's probably easier for us. It's about to come, I think. So I think it's easier for us.
Yeah, I see it.
I think it's easier for us to just drive straight there. But this still was a nice experience. Yeah. Well, I don't know if it's a nice experience yet until we do it. But
I'm terrified.
I'm terrified of everything.
I'm terrified.
We have some nice adventures for y'all today. While we're over here, we're not here for fish. We're here to do other things. Yeah. So stay tuned. This is our regular type of family fun vlog versus our day-to-day that you all been getting lately.
Right.
How do you all like our day-to-day, or should we just stick with our fun days?
I'm sorry, I haven't been feeling good. So I slept this whole time here. I pulled up only because she started talking.
Yeah, I know if I was sick and had to sleep while he drive, we would be lost. He get the luxury of sleeping while I drive. Yeah, I cannot sleep while he's driving because we will and shall be lost.
There's no cap in her rap.
I like that. There's no cap in my rap.
All right, y'all. Well, the ferry bus is coming.
It's not a ferry bus. It's for y'all can see it. It got cars on it.
That's about the cars.
It ain't no cars. It'd be bigger than this when you go other places.
Look at some people already on the ferry.
Coming over here thinking.
Because that's why I just wanted to have surgery.
With the boys, Michael and Woody out there.
That's very we compared to other places. Other places, the ferry is like and we can get out while we do it.
You can write this time thing up.
I better take my water.
Yeah, we going somewhere else after this. That's insane.
Pray our strength to the Lord.
Oh God, St. Louis. We don't need prayer. St. Louis. St. Louis.
Just saying.
I don't feel like going to St. Louis no more for real.
Well, we gonna eat over here and get some dessert in St. Louis at this place I wanted to try. The Destiny made like. It's like a mochi donut.
This is a terrifying experience, but experience nonetheless. So we made it here safe and soundly. So me and Ace got a ride up here. And this is pretty nice. Really, really nice up here. So let's check it out. We're gonna go to the restaurant and chill for a little bit. Ace, did you like the ride? All right, made it into the restaurant. Please seat yourself. Uh-oh. Daddy can't drive on the cool. Finding somewhere to sit. Oh.
Meanwhile.
Hey, Davis 314 family, me and Destiny. We're on the sky lift, going to the winery where we'll eat and we'll do coasters through the woods. We came a long way, all the way from back there. And there are the boys right there. We almost at the end now. And Mike and the baby took a van up here. You can see people on the coasters right there.
How did y'all like it?
Don't wake them up.
It was nice.
Me and Woody were just talking about, I think you talk right there, we was surprised.
Me and Destiny was talking about how the devil trying to get in your head because she was like, I be having thoughts. No, ma'am, that's the devil.
Right.
Okay, so the coasters, yeah, go ahead. So the coasters right out here. You standing here or you coming out there?
But I don't know how long I have to hold this table.
Just tell them we going to coasters and we're just.
Okay. Well, you can talk to a waitress. That wasn't like.
Yeah, we about to do the Alpine coasters. Thank you. Oh, it's a long line. Oh, this is where we do the waivers at? I know. This is what we about to do, y'all. Are you all excited? Junior hot. They got 1,000 fans in here. You been seeing this on YouTube? Woody want to zip line too, but we not zip lining today.
Can you record on this?
I'm gonna try to. That's why I connected it to my purse so it won't fall. They all on there. Junior.
All the way forward. All the way. So there's 20 phones out on that track that we cannot find.
I gotta connect it.
Oh, okay.
That's why I'm over doing like this.
Yes,
All right, okay. I'm gonna go to slow and steady one. So just bring it back to slow down.
You
Okay.
gotta push forward to go.
Thank
Don't
you.
stop unless emergency.
Okay.
Feel that speeder, it's boring, man.
All right. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, shoot. Okay, we going up. I'm going up. Oh my gosh. And we made it back. Did y'all have fun?
Did you have fun?
I did have fun. They say bands to make her dance. Food to make me dance. Mike always shake his head when I say something. Food to make her dance. Food to make her dance. You know somebody said it in the comments. Rachel said no invite. Do we ever invite? Where do you want to go with that?
How you like it wrapped? Good, good. What about you? You don't like it? You do like it?
It looks good. It got bacon.
What about you? Good, good. What about you?
Good.
Good. What about you, Ace? How you like your bottle? I guess his bottle was fire. Put him to sleep.
How you like yours?
It is? Okay.
Mike always ordered stuff I never expected him to order.
I just wanted something different.
Like, why wouldn't you order a pizza with bacon and chicken on it?
I just wanted something
You
different.
ordered a pizza with tomatoes on it.
I just wanted something different.
Those tomatoes?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's tomato. So me and Ace made it back down the hill. I have no interest in getting on this thing up here. Yeah, I ain't got to do all that. That's not my speed. But yeah, it was a cool experience. I have no idea what Katrina has planned next. So we'll see y'all when we get to the next place. Oh crap. Hello down there. Let me see if I can zoom in. Woo! Sit back before you fall forward. About time y'all made it back. I beat y'all here. It is about time. Y'all took forever.
Let me see my baby.
Is he gonna get on the swings?
Yeah.
Man, come on, we trying to go.
Be quiet. I told him to get on the swing. Shut up. It's family time and he's rushing. Hey, this right here. This Gemini right here.
So, long story short, I need more water.
Long story short.
When you reported on the beaver we saw.
That's what y'all was up there doing. I didn't see the big one. Huh?
My bad, dude. I forgot you were sitting back there. Oops. That chain available?
I need my legs.
Yeah, I don't know if you know how tight it is back here.
Oh, my bad. Oh, my God.
Alright, Davis, 314.
Sound like a gremlin.
314. I made that.
Good job, son. Oh, man, gotta make accommodations for all these people. That's the new one. My God. My God.
Don't look at my fork.
Don't look at it. Don't look at it.
I got a 4. Look. Everybody be like, I have a 5 head. My hairline start right there. A 4. See? My hairline's right there.
I mean, it's just
4.
Like
4
5.
head. No, it's a 4 head. I can put 4 fingers on my head.
oh my god.
It's 4.
Corny.
Dominoes.
I'm so sleepy. And I got a headache. Sit down. I'm tired. I am so tired. But the kids wanted to try these Mochi desserts, so we're gonna try them. They said he want a donut. Okay, so here go our dozen donuts.
That's me, bro.
I taste it. It looked good. It looked really good. I got my what's the name? I got me the funnel cakes. I got me a funnel cake. I think that's mine. I got the peach. Yep. I got the peach. How you always taste, what's up?
Like coffee.
Good. Good.
Honey iced tea with Oreos.
Just like a. Just like a smell.